खुद पर विश्वास करो, एक दुनिया तुम्हारे पीछे चलेगी. Keep faith on yourself. One day entire world will be behind you. A very good morning, friends. Today we'll continue lecture number 11 on PYQ of definite integration. So let us begin lecture 11, PYQ of definite integration. The first problem is fx is what? 7. Fx is 7 10 raised to 8 plus 7 10 raised to 6x minus 3 10 raised to 4x minus 3 10 square x. We can take 7 10 square x common, 10 raised to 6. So you get 10 square x plus 1 minus 3 10 square common. So you get 10 square x plus 1. 7 10 raised to 6 minus 3 10 square x into 10 square x plus 1. 7 10 raised to 6 into sec square x. Therefore, I1 is equal to integral 0 to pi by 4 7 10 raised to 6 minus 3 10 square x into sec square x dx. Put t is equal to 10x. So dt is what? Sec square x. When x is 0, t is tan 0 is equal to 0. And when x is pi by 4, t becomes tan pi by 4 1. So I1 will become 0 to 1, 7t raised to 6 minus 3t square dt. So I1 is what? T raised to 7 minus t raised to 3, 0 to 1 will give you 1 minus 1. So the value of I1 is 0. Now I2 is what? Integral 0 to pi by 4 x fx dx. 0 to pi by 4 x into bracket 7 10 raised to 6 7 10 raised to 6x minus 3 10 square x into sec square x dx. We'll apply integration by parts, taking x as what? U and remaining function as v. So x integral 7 10 raised to 6 minus 3 tan square x into sec square x dx. Sec square x dx between 0 to pi by 4 minus in integral derivative of x becomes 1. Integral of this part will be what? 7 tan raised to 6 0 to pi by 4. 7 tan raised to 6 minus x minus 3 tan square x into sec square x dx is equal to integration of this we got t 10 raised to 7 minus x into 10 raised to 7 minus 10 cube x between 0 to pi by 4 minus integral 0 to pi by 4 10 raised to 7x minus 10 cube x dx. This will be 0 minus 0 to pi by 4. We can take 10 cube common. So in bracket you will get 10 raised to 4 minus 1, that is 10 square x minus 1 into 10 square x plus 1 dx, which is equal to minus 0 to pi by 4 10 cube x into 10 square x minus 1 into sec square x dx. Put t is equal to 10x. 0 to 1 t cube into t square minus 1 dt. T is 10x. T raised to 5. T raised to 5. Integration t raised to 6 upon 6 minus t raised to 4 upon 4 between 0 to 1. Outside is minus sign. Will give you what? 1 by 4 minus 12 LCM. Will give you what? 4 3 minus 2. 1 by 12. So 7 times I1 plus 12 I2. 7 into 0 plus 12 into 1 by 12. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So answer is B. Answer B. Next problem is I integral 1 by 4 to 3 by 4 cos of 2 cot inverse root 1 minus x upon put x is equal to cos 2 theta. So dx is what? Minus 2 sine 2 theta d theta. Let x is equal to 1 by 4. Theta is what? alpha, and when x is what? 3 by 4 theta is what? Beta. So I will become integral alpha to beta cos of 2 cot inverse root 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 1 plus cos 2 theta into minus 2 sin 2 theta d theta. Integral alpha to beta cos of 1 minus cos 2 theta is what? 2 sin square theta, 2 cos square theta. So tan square theta, cot inverse tan theta, and this is minus 2 sin 2 theta d theta. This is 5 by 2 minus. So alpha to beta cos of 2 into pi by 2 minus theta into minus 2 sin 2 theta d theta. Now to cancel pi minus 2 theta. Cos pi minus 2 theta is what? Minus cos 2 theta. Alpha to beta minus cos 2 theta into minus 2 sin 2 theta. So this is what? Alpha to beta sin 4 theta d theta. Integration of sin 4 theta is what? Minus cos 4 theta between alpha and beta upon 4. So minus 1 by 4 you take outside. X is what? Cos 2 theta. So this will be 2 cos square 2 theta minus 1 between alpha and beta. Now we replace cos 2 theta as what? Cos 2 theta is what? X. So 2x minus 1. Now when you are replacing in terms of x, the value will be 1 by 4 to 1 by 3 by 4 only. So minus 1 by 4, 2 times 3 by 4. 3 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 4 will give you what? 1 by 2 minus 1. Minus 1 by 4 minus 1. 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is what? 2 by 2, that is 1. Answer B. So this I is what? Integral log x plus root x square plus 1 into 1 dx. Unity will take a second function, minus 1 to 2. So log of integral 1 is what? X log x plus root x square plus 1 between minus 1 and 2 minus integral minus 1 to 2 derivative of log is what? 1 upon x plus root x square plus 1 into derivative of inside functions were 1 plus x upon root x square plus 1 into integral 1 is what? X dx. Substitute upper limit. So 2 log 2 plus root 5 minus minus 1 log minus 1 plus root 2, that is root 2 minus 1. Minus 1 to 2. So upper limit will give you log 2 plus root 5. Then subtract. Lower limit will give you minus 1 log minus 1 plus root 2. Minus 1 to 2. Take LCM will get cancelled. So x upon root x square plus 1. Log of 2 plus root 5 square, and this will become plus. Plus means we need to multiply root 2 minus 1. Log root 2 minus 1 will multiply. And here we will multiply divided by 2x upon root. Log of 2 plus 5, 4 plus 5, that is 9 plus 4 root 5. Rationalize it. A root 2 minus 1 into a root 2 plus 1 upon root 2 plus 1. 1 by 2. Numerator for d by dx of x square plus 1 divided by root of x square plus 1 dx. Which will give you 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is what? Once again, it's log of 9 plus 4 root 5 upon root 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2. F dash x upon root f x will give you what? 2 root f x. 2 root x square plus 1 between minus 1 to 2. 2 to cancel. Log of 9 plus 4 root 5 upon root 2 plus 1. 2 to cancel. So minus root 5 minus root 2. Which will become what? Root 2 minus root 5 plus log 9 plus 4 root 5 divided by root 2 plus 1. Root 2 minus root 5. Root 2 minus root 5 plus log 9 plus answer is what B. Thank you very much. Today's quote is खुद पर विश्वास करो, एक दिन दुनिया तुम्हारे पीछे चलेगी. Keep faith on yourself. One day entire world will be behind you. Thank you very much.